Hello, this is the week two, so I will resubmit it. So this is the user ID for the um, users. For and foremost, so I did the um, request from the REST to MongoDB. So here, as you can see, um, get all in the database part in the MongoDB. Second is the get single. So this part will headed if the error request or error request from the rest is doesn't work, it will show the errors. So this is the CRUD, um, the create users. So I will request for email data type, username, name, IP address. So this is will be the body, required body, username, and so forth. So this is the create part. So it will create a data for us if I will um, if if I will request in here. So after that, the database part. So this is the configuration for the server. So if this file doesn't here, it will not run the server or um, the data types connected to the MongoDB. And after that, this is the routes. It will go to the server part and the Swagger. So the Swagger part. So as you can see, there are two links at here. So in the Swagger part, I use the API routes, docs, and the Swagger. So first things first, I will show you how it works the request. So it will start in npm start and it will show the link. So there are two links at here in the server. So it will show a two specific from the doc swagger and the local host. So here, as you can see, request. So get, it will show up the datas or the database from the MongoDB. After that specific request from the server, that it will create a new data or update the data. So here, as you can see the post. So it will show you the post. So the message user created, this is the ID. And after that, so to show the here. So put. And after that, if the users we will like put in here, it will delete it in the database. So here the Swagger, the second part of the coding. So the Swagger. So here, as you can see, the tag Swagger. So I, in the first place, I remove it. It will not show up. So there is thing that this is important to show the Swagger. So to identify the create user and the update users and delete users. So I already have a module here for Gidnor for the env doesn't show in the GitHub. And after that, you will see here the host, local host 3001, swagger.json file, So it is automatically generated by APS rather than AutoGen. So if will show up the data, please. So here, as you can see here, if I slash users, it will show all my data from the MongoDB. And after that, here API. So here, as you can see, there are some things here that show up in the post. To get the ID required. So here, delete. So that's all. Thank you for watching.